this money. When at it rough, I had enough, you thinking that it's funny? I bounce back on them haters and them naysayers. My grind tight, work hard and take a break later. Save a soul, take control, where my son's at. Get out the car, they blowing gas, you catch a contact. And where I'm from, cat, the home of the bad choices. It's free K-City, they silencing black voices. Don't pop no pill, don't light it up and drop dirty. You ready for a change, most of y'all is not worthy. Hold up, don't want no felony, it sticks with ya. We institutionalized, can't see the big picture. Go get a job, provide, but can you keep it? Strategize, advertise, strength over weakness. The secret to winning is believing in a higher power, not procrastinating and waiting until the final hour. Standing on the corner, begging for something to eat. There's not no way for no man to live. It's the SOS. Looks like a job for the SOS. Find a career through the SOS. Help all your brothers with the SOS and save our sunshine. Started in Ferguson, but now it's going citywide. Woke up the sleeping giant, now it's time to get it live. It ain't for everyone, but this is for anyone. Can't count us out, we conquering the millennium. 800 strong, the number is steady growing bigger. So let the haters throw stones, but I can be a quitter. We never giving up, we living up to all the hype. From out of darkness, I'm glad Mike saw the light. Chosen for change in the memory of MB2. Cause when we shining bright, them haters gonna envy you. So squad up, the power is in the multitude. If you at ground zero, you can get a closer view. It's SDLUL, a league of our own. We saving sons raised in a high crime zone. We all scholars, we achieve and try to be the best. This positive destiny, these words that I manifest. Standing on the corner, begging for something to eat. There's not no way for no man to live. It's the SOS. Looks like a job for the SOS. Find a career through the SOS. Help all your brothers with the SOS and save our sunshine.
Man, I need a job, sick of living like a slob. Need more than $7.85, I'm tired of getting robbed, I'm tired.
Well, lucky you are, you need ends. Total dissatisfaction required for you to win.
I'm pretty good with my hands, but trade school is high. Every time I try to get enrolled, I get denied.
Yeah, understand, I connect the dots to your puzzle. A scholarship to multiply your money, not a hustle. You certified?
Even if I got this old felony, I've been in programs before, it still wasn't helping me.
I show you how to get a job, keep it then get promoted. Marketing your assets, I show you how to stay focused.
You sound broke.
If I'm lying, then I'm flying. Sign up for SOS, it's uniquely designed for the brothers and the other men who looking for a jump start to a new career. This is serious, so come hard.
I ain't got a suit.
We got professional attire. It's grown man time now. Who's the new hire?
It's me, thanks, brother. D, you keeping it on.
Am I my brother's keeper? This is save our sons. Standing on the corner, begging for something to eat. There's not no way for no man to live. It's the SOS. Looks like a job for the SOS. Find a career through the SOS. Help all your brothers with the SOS and save our sunshine.
Honors his life and his legacy. The Urban League and Better Family Life are teaming up to fulfill Dr. King's dream of uplifting the African American community. They're also joining St. Louis's police department's fight against crime smack dab in the middle of Chief Hayden's Triangle. 5 on your side's Ryan Henson is live in North St. Lydia.